Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and in this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that's going to change the game for you guys. And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from over trading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description. We'll start off by opening a gold chart with a 5-minute time frame. Now let's go to our indicator section and type in half trend, no spaces. And you will see it here, half trend by Everget. Let's add this to our chart. And we're going to make one quick change. Let's go to settings, and then input, and then let's uncheck this box here that says show channels, and then hit OK. There we go. And for our second indicator, let's go ahead and type in EMA. That's for our moving average exponential. And then we'll just go to settings and then inputs. And let's change the length to 200, and then we'll go to style and we'll change the color to yellow. And with our EMA, whenever the market is above the line, then we know we are in an uptrend and we can enter into buy positions. And when the market is below the line, then that means we're in a downtrend and we can take up selling positions. Okay, so let's just check out the chart right now. So you can see this section right here, the market is going up, and right here is where it breaks the EMA line, and we're in an uptrend, and you can see we have a buy signal here that corresponds at this candle right here, so we definitely know that this is a good signal. Here we have some other bullish positions here. We have our EMA line and our market is above it, trending upwards, and we have 3 bullish positions here. Alright, so these are very good signals at this point. Right here we can see the market below the EMA line, and we've got a sell signal in this case here. Alright, so this is another good signal from our indicator strategy here. Here's another section on our chart where we have a bearish position. We see the market going down, and we've got a sell signal in this case. Alright, so this is a pretty good setup, guys. Now let's also take a look at our Euro USD chart. Here we can see a section of our chart where we have the market above the EMA line, and we've got quite a few bullish positions right here. Alright, bullish signals that we could take, so this is a very good indication of some buy positions here. Right here we see where the market breaks the EMA line and is trending downwards, and we've got a sell signal here that corresponds with this candle, so we definitely know that this is a good signal here to take. And look at this section right here, guys. Here we have the uptrend, and we've got a buy signal right here. Wow, we see it's really going up, so we can make a lot of profit in this case. Okay, and also right here is where we have the market going downwards, and we've got a sell signal right here. Okay, pretty good signal right here. So hopefully this could be a good strategy for you guys to try and get some profitable results. Alright, so thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.